Hello everyone, I'm going to do an updated toolbox tour of my toolbox. Since the first one was a lot less stuff in it, this one's got a little more in it now. So here we go, starting with the top drawer. I have sockets and ratchets in there. 3/8 drive, quarter, 1/2-inch drive, extras, a lot of wrenches, metric, standard, screwdrivers, picks, pliers, and pry bars. Various things, tap and die set, torque wrenches, upholstery sets, tools, drill bits, punches and chisels, hand impact, hammers, and a couple indexing pry bars from Matco. Other tools, electric tools. Over here I got boxes of stuff. Compression tester, bolt grip puller, bearing race seal driver, cleaning system tester, electrical drawer with an OBD2 scan tool. This doesn't really belong in this drawer, but I moved it here. Files, pickle fork set, a punch and chisel set, rubber gun, seal puller, hacksaw with a wiper blade, remover, tool puller. I bought this. My fiance laughed. She says now with the green and the pink it looks like a watermelon, but I bought that just to kind of stand out, kind of organize some stuff too. Then the locker has various stuff in it up here, some various little stuff up there. There's a snap ring plier, some snap on there, AC tools. I haven't found a place for some of this stuff yet, so it's just kind of been tossed in here. Brake stuff, extra four-wheel drive sockets that I don't use at the time. Just stuff I kind of do in here. That's a cylinder leak down test kit. Cooling system refiller, rear disc brake tool set. Wrench fan tool kit, snap-on bore scope. Matco hand impact, which I don't use much anymore since I bought the snap-on one. Got a couple trays with some stuff in it, seal, driver, and some ladyfoot pry bars of snap-on. Like I said, it's just an updated set of what I've had, updated video. So hope you enjoy it. Comments and feedback is always welcome. And thank you for viewing.